how to create a Whatnot account. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can open up the App Store and download the Whatnot application, which is this one right here. And basically go ahead and open it up on our screen first. And then it will directly provide you with a sign up page here, and we can start the process. So we can choose how we want to create our account, for example, Google, Facebook with email as well. So use any of the process, for example, email, tap on it, and we can start the process. So first of all, you need to provide in your full name. So go ahead and enter up your full name, and right below it, we can enter up our email. So just go over and add up a valid email address, and right below it, provide in a password. Create up a passport for yourself, and you need to pick up your country. So go ahead and tap on it, and it will give you a list of countries available. You can choose the one from where you belong. After that, you can just go over and agree with the terms of service and confirm that you've read the privacy policy and clarify that you're 18 years older as well. And you can tap on sign up option, and you can follow the prompts to create your account. If not that, if you use Google, Facebook, Apple, some info may autofill, you can just go over and use that method. For example like this, and you will be finding the space. So Whatnot may ask you to verify your phone number. You just need to enter it up and tap on send code, and you will be getting a code via SMS. You need to enter it to confirm your account, and that will help you secure your account and let you use features like buying, bidding, receiving credits, etc. And once you're signed up, you can just go over and start by adding a profile photo, and then just pick up your interests, and Whatnot will show you items you like. This will improve your experience inside the application. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method for now. You may follow it out. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.